Hola chicos, hola clase, buenos días, ¿cómo estáis? Aquí señor Espejo, otro día más. Bienvenidos después de estas mini vacaciones que hemos tenido. Espero que todos estéis bien, que hayáis pasado unas vacaciones dentro de lo que cabe, lo más normales posibles con vuestra familia y amigos, si habéis visto a alguien de la familia y algún amigo. We're gonna continue or just finish actually with this chapter 9.2 today and tomorrow, Friday. And then we're just gonna start on Monday with Goya. So today and tomorrow you're gonna be writing actually a letter to the heroes, los héroes de la salud. I know that you know, guys, that it's been a little bit difficult for everybody, but especially, as you know, in Europe, it's been especially hard in Italy and in Spain. As you're all aware, we've been dealing with this horrific side of the pandemic, and actually still now, in real time, still people suffering a lot. But I've been thinking about that, and I've been thinking about the health professionals that have been doing so much to keep everybody safe. As you know, I have an elderly mom. My mom is 86 and she's in a nursing home in Madrid, and it's been hit really badly. Thank God my mother is good and, you know, she's healthy and safe. But it's thanks to these people that they're working every single day to keep every single patient, because it's the largest nursing home in Europe. Actually, I found out through the news. Go figure. It's thanks to these people. It's thanks to these heroes of health, los héroes de la salud. And I found this really good website, really cool, that is talking about like all the people who are being thankful and grateful. And I thought about you guys writing a letter to the health professionals, not just to the ones in Spain, obviously. You're going to be writing in the target language, but to all the heroes that probably you even know, or probably like your parents are nurses or doctors, or you know somebody in the family that they've been working and they've been going into almost like a battlefield for the past month and a half. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is you're going to be just watching a short video about this man, David Meca. He talks about resilience, resiliencia. Es un nadador español de larga distancia y además de ser campeón mundial en 28 ocasiones. I didn't know that he was a world champion. I just found out through this website. He has done so much in open water that I would like for you to read a little bit, listen to his video and think about what he's saying. I don't think it has subtitles, but he speaks slowly. So think about what he says. When you go to the website, you're going to see that there's a few actually people that talk. So you're going to have to scroll down and then scroll in this to the right, and you will find him. So he's right there, David Meca. And watch the video. And then what I want you to do is think about the things that he's talking about: working as a team, looking for examples in people around you, all around you, your family, overcoming obstacles. What are the goals that you have once this finishes? Why is it important to you, or what is important to have resilience in this time? And think about an example, something that happened to you or someone that you know, someone that you love, and who's a hero for you. And then you have in this slide what to include in the letter. Obviously, it's going to be done in Google Docs because it's easier for me to correct. It's provided in Google Classroom. You're going to write your name, your date. It's just like an assignment, like an essay. Introduce yourself, talk about who you are and what do you do or what you have been doing this month at home. I want you to use the vocab and the expressive expressions that we've been learning in this chapter. So take out your transitions, your vocabulario, chapter 9.2, and thank these people, these health professionals, for all that they've been doing, and be grateful for something specific. You can give an example of something that you have overcome in your life, maybe, and use examples from the previous slide with David, this person, David. And what are the heroes? Because he talks about what is a hero too. I want you to use the subjunctive. Actually, when I was correcting your subjunctive, I saw mistakes. You still make mistakes in the subjunctive. You have the passport. You know how to conjugate subjunctive. We can do it all together. Your form, chop off the O, reverse the endings. But you know how to do it, guys. So it's the time to put it into practice. I want you to use the subjunctive throughout your letter to express these expressive expressions, because they are followed by subjunctive every time. And then you're going to formally say goodbye and thank you for their time. Gracias por. Use the por and para that you have learned, actually. And please highlight the vocab, the grammar, and the expressive expressions. Do not use translation. This is a letter from your heart. This is something that I want you to put your heart and soul. You're going to have like Thursday and Friday and the weekend, because it's going to be due Sunday night. And when I was reading your assignments about Premios de la Paz and Dictadores, they were all really, really good. But the people who got perfect scores, like 16 out of 16, and it hasn't so much to do with like your perfect like pronunciation of the words. It's that you're using the vocab, you're using the expressions. Es de lamentar que I saw people that are using the vocab in context, and that's what I'm trying to do. I mean, everything that we do in the class has to do with you guys using the vocab and using the grammar as much as you can, the por and the para, and the present imperfect that you've learned and that you know. Okay, if you need to use some word reference, it's nothing bad, because probably you don't remember how to say enfermera, enfermero. Okay, do not to be confused with enfermo, which is sick person. Okay, because that's a typical mistake. But please do not use translators. I've already had to call parents in other classes. Okay, for this, and because we're far away and I'm not seeing what you're writing, I'm gonna be checking on real time when you're doing the letter. Okay, this is a letter to Los Héroes de la Salud, the people that are really working for us to get better. And here's the rubric. Okay, write effectively 2020 is going to be 20 points. It's going to be actually, again, same thing that I explained, but it's going to be times 3. This one is going to count as kind of put everything that you have, because it's the last thing that we're going to do for chapter 9.2. And then we're going to start with Goya on Monday. Okay, guys? Hope everybody is doing good. And you know that I miss you and that I love you. And I hope that we're going to see each other very soon. Any questions that you may have, put them in the in a thread in the comments. But you're going to probably ask me, how many words, señora? Well, as many as you need to tell what you need to tell. Okay? I'm not going to be counting. I mean, I would say minimum 150 to 100 words in a letter. In a good written letter, you would have plenty of things to say. I'm not going to put an end to your letter, you don't have to, but I'm going to be very strict with the content and the use of language. Okay? Because it counts twice. Love you all. Os quiero un montón. Cuidaros mucho. Y trabajar fuerte, okay? Un beso para todos y salud para todos. Give your best and do your best, guys. You know that we're all in the last month and a half, 2 months together, and it means a lot to me that you're working really hard, and I see the people that are working really hard and they're putting a lot of work. Everybody can do it. If you have any problems, please let me know, okay? I'm here for you. Every single day, anytime. I'm 24/7. Okay? I love you guys. Take care.